Sweating up a storm.
No pressure though.
No pressure. Just look at him.
I don't know what those things mean.
Come straight. Probably just tell you left or right with the wheel. Turn left.
This way?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Good job. There you go. Bring it all the way in. You're good. You're good.
Come back this way some.
I think I'm stuck.
You're okay. Just listen to him.
You're fine. Give it a little gas.
Little gas.
And it'll roll out of it. Don't worry.
Okay.
That's a bad terminology, but
There you go.
there you go.
Good job.
Okay.
Even it out. Even the steering wheel out. There you go.
Good job.
Thank you. And then I died.
Nice.
But I'm like shaking.
Do you like this? You like doing this?
I don't like it more than skiing.
It's nice. Some fun.
It is.
Fun something.
We're gonna have you pull forward just to let the group come up.
Totally.
How many got left?
Is there a rock that I'm on?
Nope, you're good. Almost good. Yeah, you're good.
We good?
Yeah. And then kind of go behind her. Probably have to go through there.
I'm so scared. Oh, thank you. Oh, am I good? That was scary.
Hey.
This is a good place for women to go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Everybody's
I think she
holding
has to
good.
after that.